Hello guys, welcome to my channel Student Struggle Canada. So today's video topic is how to create a scope statement for a project. So first of all, we need to know what is scope statement. So scope statement is a document that clearly defines what is included in the project and what is excluded from the project. It is a clear statement of the project requirements, objectives, and intent for the project's success. So these are the six key elements for the project scope statement which we need to include. First is scope description, second acceptance criteria, third deliverables, fourth exclusions, fifth constraints, and last one is assumptions. You can read these definitions from this video, also from your e-text. Okay, so here is an example uh, where we need to create a scope statement for a music concert of the Western Evergreen State University, which has over 22k students, and it has a budget of 40k, and the event is going to occur on June 5th, either next year or next year. So this is in which our roommate needs our help because we are studying the project management, so she needs our help. So we need to like rewrite and make the improvements in this scope statement. Okay, so first we start with the project purpose. So the purpose of the project is to create a spring concert at VSU. This event will be designed for the VSU students to release the stress because nowadays student life always revolves around grades, attendance, and case studies. As there are very few fun activities conducted in VSU, to release the stress of studies, we have decided to conduct a spring concert, which will give us students an opportunity to have some fun. Moreover, some students already in the search of for these type of events that provide them some fun at campus, as it has been 6 years since VSU have spring concert. So here is our first key element on that is project scope. So as it is a fixed price contract which has a like budget of 40k, um, it is mainly sponsored by the Entertainment Council of VSU. So upon the completion of this project, the students will enjoy like 6 hour music concert which will be performed by a big name artist. At concert they can have a beers and some food items. In addition to it, they can also like get a commemorative concert t-shirt. There are like other local sponsors who will sponsor this project, and in response they will get a like free promotion and advertisement for their products and services. So next one is section of project deliverables. It is also a key element. So we will like just break down the deliverables into work breakdown structure. So first, as I write here, concept security, we will include like little work packages here, which is like hire a security company and then set up our boundaries and barricades and secure all entrances and exits. The second is advertisement, which will include like contact local newspapers, radio stations, advertisement on college website, oh sorry, university website, and sell tickets. In this section we can like include contact local sponsors. Then next is like how to get food and drinks, uh, and the fourth one is like how to get insurance for the concert, and which permits we need. First of all, we need to permit to sell alcohol from the local ministry, and then we need a event insurance, and then we need to like print a parking tax for almost 200 2000 cars. Then fifth section will be like contract and registration, which will include like register venue location and pay all the money, sign contracts with local vendors so that we can secure their places. The sixth one is music, which will include the like setup of all light and sound system, sign a big name artist who will perform on the concert, and the last one is stage setup, and the last one in the deliverable section is cleanup, which will be like a hire local cleaners, rent garbage bins and dispose all the garbage at the proper location. You can like include anything whichever you want, it's up to you. So please don't try to copy because it might result in plagiarism. So the third section is milestones. I have included in it. You can see like from your template we need to include milestones. However, it is not a key element, but we should include in it because it roughly gives us idea like at which date we are going to complete any activities. So first level, like we need to raise a fund which will be like completed by March 25, as like spring starts in Canada from February uh, and ends in May. So I made the plan according to that. So second one is like obtain permits and insurance, which will be done by 10 April 10, and similar like this. All the things will be done by June 5, as a concert is going to occur on June 5. So almost like it is a 6 hour concert. So um, it will end in the midnight and on the June 6 around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. we need to like clean all the garbage and dispose it at the garbage site. So the next section is like what are the acceptance factors uh, on which will help us like to complete the project. So like students have been like waiting for this opportunity from a long time as per my calculation. So I hope this project will be completed on time, and also local vendors will help in sponsor this concert. The next section is exclusions and constraints like which will prevent us to complete this project. That will be like rainy weather, 2000 plus car parking, any technical malfunction in the light or sound system, any employee illness. The last section is assumptions, which will be like seating arrangement of 8,000 people, approximately 100 restrooms, high-tech lighting and sound system, minimum 5 performing acts, compliance with municipal and VSU laws. So it is basically a list of assumptions which we think help us in completing our project. So it is not a proper assignment, it is just a rough idea. So you can like take an idea and make assignment by yourself. Thanks for watching video. That's it for today's.